Portland renters. Today we're at 8327 Northeast Holladay Street in Portland, Oregon. This house is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome with a single car garage. Let's head on in. Okay, so when you first walk in, the garage door will be to your left. You have the stairs. You have the kitchen with stainless steel appliances, dishwasher, sink, microwave, stove and oven, and the refrigerator with the backsplash there. And then we have dining room here, half bath to the right, your living room area. Gas fireplace, and then we have the backyard. You can see here. Full view of the living room, dining room, and kitchen there. And then that door is a pantry. And let's head on upstairs. So when you walk up, you have the linen closet. This is the master bedroom here. Double closets. Gives you a picture of the backyard there. And then we have full view, really good size master bath here with the stand-up shower. As you can see, as we head on down the hallway, we have the second full bath. This one has the shower tub combo, sorry. We have the laundry room. Great shelving up there. And then we have the second bedroom here. Closet. And this one faces the side yard. And lastly, we have the third bedroom, and this one has a closet as you walk in. This one is towards the front of the home. As you can see, this room actually gets plenty of natural lighting. Upstairs hallway. And then we'll head up towards the front. Give you a street view of the home. There. As you can see, that's the single car garage, and that is 8327 Northeast Holladay Street in Portland, Oregon.